Well, French doors have a problem. That is, if you spill a little water like this, you see the water right there? What that's going to do, you better immediately take care of it, as it will get on the seal right here, and then it will expand, and it will stop the seal from working. Once the seal stops working, the air moisture from your room will enter your refrigerator, and your refrigerator will stop working because it will ice up, cannot handle all that moisture. So any water spill should be taken care of immediately by wiping it and making sure there's no water on the seal, because it will expand, it will ice up, and makes your refrigerator stop working. That's the problem they have. Good day.